Hello and welcome to part 6 of my Alias sub D tutorial. Today I'm going to focus mainly on refining the rear of the car and maybe get to the front a little bit and refine that too. And yeah, as well as adding some of this um, rear diffuser detail to the rear end. So let's start. The first thing I want to do is I want to get this highlight or this fender puddle in here. From what you can see here, it's not as defined as it is in the sketch, so that's what I want to get to right now. So I'm just gonna go into my box mode and isolate that, and I'm gonna use the cut tool and I'm gonna cut from here to here. Oops. It's not snapping to the right CV. Yep, there we go. That's better. I'm just gonna try and snap to that. Gonna need to lower this CV a little bit and push it in. Okay, and then this one might need to be raised just slightly. Adding more crown a little bit to that. It looks flat. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, so that is already helping. It needs more definition for sure. So can take let me see if I insert a line here that goes all the way to the back. I don't really need it to go all the way, just needs to go this way. And I can delete that and then delete the rest of this as I don't need it. Okay. Let's see. That added more tension. What if I go from here to here, and then from here I can come to here, and then I can erase this one. So let's see what that looks like. Yeah, that is looking better already. Try a different shader. Something got messed up over here. Oh, oops. Yeah, that edge needs to be I have just one edge there. Let me crease that. See what that gives me. There's something wrong here. Oh, oops, I did not snap to the right CV here. That is the problem here. I wanted to snap to that one. And I can delete this. Let's see what that looks like now. Yeah, that looks better. I also noticed that my glass is kind of hovering over, so I'm just going to turn on the glass model, and I'm going to grab all this row here, and I can just use the slide tool in X form and just slide it down. It doesn't like it towards the back. Maybe I'll just do the front bit. Yeah, that looks better. Okay, so now I think I got the puddle in there. I don't like the shape. It looks like it peaks right here. I kind of want it to peak more over here. and it needs a little bit more breathing room over here. So I can start adjusting it now. So I can move this over here, and then instead of going to the point, I can go here, and then I can delete this one. Oops, wrong tool. Okay. That's a little bit better. What if I delete this edge over here? Oh, no, I don't think that it likes that. Okay, can go from here to here to here, and then I can delete this one. I gotta make sure that I'm snapping to the right CV again. Yeah, I did it again. So make sure you don't do that when you have CVs that are really close to each other. Okay, that should look better. And now I can adjust these two CVs and give it a little bit more breathing room, and also get the tension to be more over here. Okay. Now I can come in and I can actually do something like this. Try and get more tension here. Well, yeah. I forgot that I have another edge loop there. Fix this CV. Okay. And then I can delete this edge. Let's see what it looks like now. Yeah, that looks okay, but now we messed up this point. Oh, yeah, there it is. I snapped to the wrong CV again. I really gotta be careful with that. No biggie. It does show in the surface, so that's a good sign that, you know, you make a mistake, you can see what the mistake is. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and get that to be more straight. This gives me a cleaner look. And then I'm gonna get rid of this line. I don't really think I need it. I don't know why I have it. It goes all the way to here. Oh, I see why I need it towards the front. So maybe I'll pick like an area where it can go to an end, maybe like over here, so I can get rid of it towards the back. You can pick an area where you think you can hide like a unwanted edge. So yeah, that looks good there. Doesn't really cause problems. Okay, so yeah, I got the puddle now in there. The sketch, it looks like it's more of a negative section. I don't know if that is realistic, but I can actually replicate it. Maybe this needs to go up too to get this to be more linear. Oops. Yeah, let's push it down a little bit. Let's take a look now. Yeah, That's looking better. Okay. And it kind of does something like the front puddle, which we already have that done, but we probably still need to refine that. I just noticed our hood section, it's too domey, so I can just click the model here and I can fix that. Yeah, it's way too domey. That has too much crown. Okay, that should look better now. Yeah. Okay, moving on. Now I would like to get this rear diffuser on there. Right now I just have kind of like a filler that I didn't really know what to do there, but look at the picture, it's not really clear, but it does look like it goes off that and it goes down. So maybe it goes down this way and it goes up. And then, yeah, so we'll have like an edge over here that goes all the way up. Okay. Yeah, so let's do that now. Maybe go from here to here. What is it? Or maybe like go from here to here. And would that whole thing be a diffuser? Looks unrealistic. Okay. Let me do this. Go from here. To here. Okay. And then I can delete this surface and this surface and this one. Okay. Yeah, let's delete this one as well, and this one, don't need that. And then we can add actually, let's keep this one. What if let's weld this one to this one. And then what if we go from here to here and then erase this one, and this one. And now I can lower this and kind of get this line to match. Kind of get that line to read as one line. That's what I'm trying to do. Okay, that's looking good. And then there is a line that goes I'm looking at this one, goes this way out. Okay. And that's closer to this edge, so it would be right here. And that would go down, so it would go down this way and all the way this way. Okay, so yeah, we can go more or less like over here, and then let's get rid of this one and this one. Oh, it doesn't let me. Because that one is a three-sided surface. Okay, let's get rid of this one. And then we can go from here to here. And now we can get rid of this one and this one. And we can get rid of this one. Okay. And let's see. This one can move out as well. That's going to create the edge of the diffuser. Okay. And then here, all I have to do is let's get rid of this CV, this edge and this edge, and then now I can just blend between this, and this, and this, and then I can bridge between them. Let's get rid of, oops. Let's get rid of this. Why is it getting rid of all of that? Interesting. It really doesn't like that. Well, oh, I see. Okay. Then let's bridge between this and this. Even though I don't really think we should have done that, but I'm just experimenting right now. This is the beauty of sub D. You can just try something and see if it works. It doesn't really hurt the model. So yeah, okay. Now I can have this to be the edge of my diffuser. So it kind of goes like, it kind of goes from here to here. So now I can get rid of all of this. And same thing here. So I go all the way from here to here. Not sure how am I gonna close this area, but I will figure it out. Let's delete this one and this one. Okay, and now I can crease this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay. And I can also add a little bit of a tighter section through here. Let's get rid of this one. And I created a four-sided surface here and here. It's gonna go out. Okay. So that is looking more like that diffuser. Of course, I will have to raise this a bit. I still have to figure out what to do here. But if I move, let's see. What I have to do is, I think I might have to move all the way, this all the way up, because it looks like it is doing that. So I'll select all these CVs and I can move that all the way up, like so. And then I can move these ones as well. And that's almost giving me what that's like. Okay. All right. Okay, now let's close this. Make that a four-sided surface. This can come in here. And then we can delete this surface. This can move a little bit back. And we're gonna create a bridge between these two. So if I unweld this one, and then I can now pick, oops, I can pick this edge from here, and I'm gonna hold shift, track select, and I can move this down. Okay. And I can move this a little bit this way. Okay. Gonna need the same amount of CVs, so now I can just select this guy and this guy. I don't need to select this edge, and then now I can bridge between. Oh, I need another one here, so I gotta add one here. I can select these two, and then unselect this edge. And now I can bridge between those two and crease. Okay. That obviously doesn't look great, but it is kind of looking more like what the sketch is doing. I will have to fix that now. Let's see what we need to do here. First, I need to insert. Actually, let me move these CVs. Oops. I'm over here trying to get a cleaner edge or like section through here. Okay, then I can move all of this up like so. Do the same thing here. Try and get that shape to match a little bit better. These can slide this way. What if I get rid of this edge? This one and this one. Let's see what that gives me. Now I kind of need that volume there. The best thing maybe I can do is add one there. Yeah, that's looking better. Okay. Now I need to fix that from side view. And rear view as well. Okay. Now we try and create the diffuser. Let's see. This is going to be a separate part than this fender. So I'm gonna, why is it not letting me snap? Come on. Okay, there you go. So this fender looks like, you know, it'll be like its own part. And then you get the diffuser here, and that will have its own thickness. So let's do that right now. And we can use VCVs to create that. And I can go from here to here. Let's erase that. And then, yep, keep going down. And from here, we can go from here to here. And to here. Okay. And now we can get rid of all of these surfaces here. First, let me just add that. So we can get rid of this one here. And all of these can go. So that is now our diffuser. Okay. We do need to add this feature right here. Looks like. I'm not sure what it's actually doing. I'm not really gonna bother with that right now. I'm just gonna do like just a regular diffuser. But let me clean up this edge here first. So to do that, I just need to snap an edge here, and then I can select this one, and then I can go and extrude that down. Okay. And now I can select this edge and then all of this from here. All the way to here. And then I can extrude in boards this way. Okay, that's going to create the inside surfaces of the diffuser. And I can I can crease all these edges. Come on. Okay, there you go. Crease this one as well. And then I can also add some edge loops here to create a little bit of a radius here. Whoops. Yeah, there you go. And here can put an edge loop right here, and it does look like, you know, it's got more of a triangular surface here, so we're gonna get more of that here. And we'll do the same thing here, through here. Where is that CV? Oh, there it is. So yeah, we'll go from here to here, and then we can get rid of this surface all the way to this surface, and same thing here. Get rid of this one and this one, and now we can get rid of this one. Oops. Through this one. Okay. And let's add the same amount of surfaces from here to equal here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 1, 2. We're gonna need to add one here and one here. So that way we have the same amount of edges. We can go from here to here. So that's 4 on each side, and then bridge in between. And then we'll add 4 here as well. And then here we can just weld. And now we have that triangle section there. And then let's take a look. Yeah. Okay. I feel like I don't really need this edge over here. The sketch doesn't really have it, but the reason why I have it because it matches with the body side, so it just kind of makes it a more of a cohesive design. I feel like I don't really need this bottom edge though. So let me get rid of this. All of this. I don't think I need that. It's just adding more controller vertices that we don't really need, and it's making it harder and taking longer to get that shape to look better. Because, like, as you can see, it's not very consistent. But we were able to block the shape of the diffuser pretty quickly there, and trying to get it to match the sketch a little bit better. Okay, I'm just gonna shade it the darker material. So that you can tell it is a diffuser, different part from the fender. So yeah, give it a little bit of a differentiation. Okay. See how that looks? Yeah. I will be refining this more, but I think it took a while to block this in. It was very experimental, but I just wanted to show you the method in which I try to figure things out. You know, I don't always have it figured out, but especially if I don't really have like a very defined sketch. But yeah, the beauty of sub-D is that you can just experiment and see where it gets you. And even though it's not really clean and refined, it does get the shape in there. And once you get more feedback from design, or if this is your design, then you can start refining it. And this is where I'm gonna end today's video. In the next video, I will probably do the same thing to the front and start adding more refinement and just experiment with trying to get the shape even closer to the sketch. So yeah, this has been part 6. Thank you for tuning in.